Hey, wine lovers, it's Stephen here from the Napa Valley Wine Academy content team with an update on what is new in all things membership. And we have a treat for you. You'll notice I'm on the Argentina Wine Specialist page. Now, normally we sell this for $149, but we are adding it to membership. So it's going to be free for all members now. It's a fantastic little course that really delves deeply into Argentina and goes beyond just Malbec, Torrontés, and Mendoza. You do get some post-nominals at the end, AWS, and you get a certificate of course, and it has been endorsed by the Wines of Argentina Trade Organization. So let's have a little look. Now, if you are a member, you'll simply have to go to this courses section and click on the course, and then, of course, then continue. Once you're in the course, you can do it at your leisure. As I mentioned, it really delves deeply into the wines of Argentina and covers, all of the country rather than the epicenter of it. So if we look at white grapes, we've all heard of Torrontés. We know about Chardonnay, but did you know about Chenin Blanc, Viognier, and Semillon? With the red grapes, obviously Malbec, Bernarda, very important, but there's a thriving industry for Tempranillo, Pinot, and Cab Franc. The course delves into all the regions as well. So, obviously Mendoza is covered, but then, you've got Jujuy, San Juan, and even Buenos Aires, which I found really cool. So it's a great little course, free for all members. Now, if you're not a member, simply go to napavalleywineacademy.com /NVWA membership, and you can sign up and you'll get this course as well as a whole heap of other really cool stuff like pronunciations and really well made documentaries, webinars, heaps of really cool stuff. So enjoy and cheers.